Hi everybody, it's Jane with Limeade Gal Crafts. Hi guys, so now we're ready to add our adhesive tape to all the seams of the journal. Alright guys, now comes the part where we're going to go ahead and put the canvas tape around all the edges of our journal. And this is 2 inches wide. The one that I got is from Dina Wakley Media sticky back canvas tape. It's 2 inches wide by 3 yards. I couldn't find it in black, so I had to get the white. I'm not really too worried about it since I'm going to be either putting paper or paint over it, but I mainly wanted to put this on to give the edges a nice finish and also to make them more secure. So I ended up, after putting together all the pieces for the album, where we had to join it all, I ended up actually having to use hot glue because that adhesive that I had used, this crafter's tape, it held in place enough to position everything where I wanted it and to make sure everything lined up properly, but it wouldn't stay stuck good, and I was afraid if I just put the canvas tape directly down on the seams, it would just all pop up. So I wanted to make sure that they were secure to each other. So I used hot glue. Now, I guess depending what kind of adhesive you use, you might have better luck than me, but this stuff definitely isn't strong enough to hold chipboard in place. It's great for scrapbook paper, but not chipboard. So I hoping you can see in the camera, because with all these pieces I don't know if it's blocking your vision. I think you can see it. So what basically we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of canvas tape here. So we're going to cut it to the right measurement, and then we're going to do the same thing on the outside edge over here, anywhere that has where we joined it together, this piece here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put all that in place, and I'm not going to tape it because obviously you don't want to watch me putting down canvas tape. It's kind of boring. So then I'll be back to show you once I have it all in place. Hi guys, I went ahead and put all the tape down, this journal tape down in the journal. Like I said, I wasn't going to film it while I was doing it because obviously it's kind of boring to watch someone put tape down, or canvas tape I should say. So in case you missed the last part of the video, it just peels off and sticks down, and you just cut the strips as long as you want them. The backing that you peel it off of right here, it's real shiny and smooth. If you want to watch, I'm going to be doing another video down the road here in the future, how to upcycle this paper and use it for something else. So don't throw it away if you want to do the next project with this. And I just wanted to show you what the journal looks like all taped up. So this is the inside. So we taped along this seam that we had glued down, put tape on this seam as well, and on this little one there's tape in there. And of course this folds over, and then this closes shut. I didn't tape this because I like the way it has the worn edge look. I'm either going to paint the spine on this side or put paper or something, but I want to leave this worn, tattered look. And then of course the tape also comes down around on this side as well. There's the back of the journal, which is your base. There's a tiny little piece of tape here, but we're going to be covering all this, so you're not going to see any of this. And then this is the other spine, which this spine I did completely cover on both sides. And the reason I did that is because this is going to be like the main part where I plan on putting signatures in here. So you're going to want, you know, the secure I forgot what this is called, spine. The spine to be very secure. Plus, this is the one that you're going to open and close probably more than anything. So, there's this one in here. I left this torn, tattered look too, because I wanted it to match with the outside flap. So there's that. Hopefully, this is showing up. The journal is big, and my workspace is really tiny, so hopefully you can see all this. I'll probably take pictures and put them on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm Limeade Gal Crafts over on Instagram, so you can find me there. And so this is where we're at right now with the journal. So the next video, which I should have out in the next week or two, is going to be on getting the journal covered inside and outside. So if you haven't picked out any papers yet that you would want to use to cover your journal, you might want to figure that out. And also, if you don't want to use paper, you could actually use acrylic paint and paint it, or if you want to just leave yours black and you just want to cover up your canvas tape with something, paint or paper or whatever you decide you wanted to do, you could do that as well too. But in the next video I'll be covering this. So like I said, I should have that out in another week or two. So if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching, and happy crafting. Bye.